So guys, we are done with all the amusement park and we are going back to long ride now. So see you Waterfall again. Bye Waterfall. Wow, so good to ride in the midst of the forest. No music required, guys. So you can hear the birds chirping. Look at this. Wow, purple flower. Woo! Look at the weather, guys, here. It's so cold, foggy, and it's drizzling as well. But we are happy in one way. We are away from the dusty and the hot and humid weather of Delhi for a few days. Look at the weather of Mussoorie, guys. It's so foggy. Look at the people here, guys. So cold weather. Still then people are line up here, all in the queue for the Turkish ice cream. Look at this, guys. People are just having good time. Look at this. Anyways, let's go. Guys, look at the weather here. There's a Turkish ice cream here as well. Look at the night view of Mussoorie, guys. For us, it's similar to Nagaland, like Kohima and Moklchong and all. But for the tourists out here, they'll enjoy the view of these mountains at night here. Guys, to eat the Tibetan food, we walk almost 1 kilometer. See, it's uphill. There is a Tibetan restaurant here. We're gonna try there. Since Aminda has been asking for pizza, I just came to Domino's. I'll take the pizza from here and go to the restaurant. So guys, we're having Tibetan food today, but the thing is Aminda doesn't take spicy food. So I got Domino's pizza for Aminda, the plain one. I hope they will allow me to take it inside. Aminda, here you are. Come, eat this one. We've come to this restaurant called Kalsam and we ordered this, pork fried rice and mushroom fried rice. Aminda is having this one. So guys, we are done with the dinner. And what did you get, Aminda? Oh, doctor, stethoscope. Waiting for my wife. She has gone to the washroom in the restaurant. Then we'll go to our hotel. Tomorrow we have another day in Mussoorie. Tomorrow as well we'll be exploring the places which we could not explore today. And day after tomorrow we'll go back to Delhi. So we are taking the rickshaw ride. In the mall road, the commercial scooters are not allowed. So we have parked the scooty nearby the library shop. From there we'll get the scooty and go to the hotel. Good morning, guys, to another day. Last night we came in the hotel and we slept because we were so tired after so many activities. So this is a normal, not that grand, just 3-star hotel here. And we were leaving now in the hotel and we'll be going to check into another hotel. It's good to explore, different hotels. We'll be going to another hotel to another destination in Mussoorie. Today we'll be going to Kempty Waterfall. This is the #1 destination in Mussoorie. So we're gonna check out the hotel. Before checking out, we're gonna have the last tea here in the terrace of the hotel. Let me just show you the view of the hotel and the view of the surrounding. Breakfast time, we got the paneer paratha with the achar, and they give tea in this hot pot because the weather is too cold out here. We're having some Maggi, juice, and there is Aminda. And this is the outside view from the hotel. Look at these guys. We are on the top of the mountain, the hotel, and foggy right now. The weather is not very clear. After some time it will be clear. Within few seconds, guys, the weather changes here. And this is the hotel where we stayed.
Good morning, Aminda.
Say good morning, baby. You want water? Good morning. Come. Enjoy, baby. Mama, did you like Mussoorie?
Yes.
How
I
can
wish
you?
I could dwell here.
You want to dwell here? And given a choice, you stay here in Mussoorie, and Aminda and myself will go back to Delhi since I have to work. So, which one you'll choose?
I will go if my husband has to go to Thar also. I'll follow him.
Okay, you'll follow me wherever I go.
I'll follow wherever you go.
Anyways, like, can you describe the weather of Mussoorie?
Oh, it's attractive, pleasant, favorable weather.
Aminda saying, look at the view. Okay, I'll show you the view.
It's a beautiful place.
Of course, it's a beautiful place. Look at this, guys, the weather. Few minutes back it was all foggy, now it is clearing up. Look at the houses here, guys, how it's standing. I'm so scared about the house. I'll not be able to sleep at night as well. Look at this, how the houses in the mountains are built and how they are standing. Our scooty is all ready. We'll be going to another location and we'll check in another hotel as well. So we are all set to go. See you guys on the way. Excited to go?
Yes.
Hello, Aminda. Wow, look at the view on the way to Kempty Waterfall. Look at this. Wow, people are taking selfie and taking picture here. Look at the mountain, guys, so beautiful. Even the houses here and the pine tree. We have parked our scooty over there. Let's go.
Look at the breathtaking mountains.
We stop here in a hilltop just to show you guys the beautiful location here. Look at the view here, guys. Wow, they've got JW Marriott Hotel as well here. There is a mandir, I don't know what is that. Wow, we are almost close to our hotel. It's just close by there. Look at this, guys, seeing the small baby. 3 dogs, they also accompany us. Look at this, wow. Aminda, don't scared, they are friendly. They are very friendly, see. Wow, hello. The dogs are also so healthy here. They don't look like the street dogs, you know. I don't think, you know, nobody owns them. They are just here in the mountainside. Look at this, guys, the beauty of Mussoorie, the queen of the hills. So guys, since Aminda is there, I cannot go. I'll hold baby Aminda here and Mama will be trying the zip line here. She's asking whether it's scary or not. Are you excited?
But I hope nothing will happen.
Mama will go first, then I'll go because Aminda, someone has to be with baby Aminda. See the height of this. So they are all watching. So he's explaining her how to go about. All the best. Wow! Mama is gone.
पकड़ने वाले हैं उधर है ना आप ऐप पकड़ने वाले वो पकड़ ली सीधे ऊपर.
So Mama is gone over there. She'll come back in the scooty. Then I'll go. It's gonna be fun, you know. We're waiting for Mama to come in the scooty. Then I'll go because someone has to be with baby Aminda. Even Aminda wants to go. She's also bold like Mama. Oh, Mama is here. Mama is here. How is the experience?
Great! Everyone should try this.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing to be scared.
So it's my time now to go. I've been fastening with the harness belt. It's safe here, guys. No need to be afraid. They are well professionals. डरने के लिए कुछ बात नहीं है ना यहाँ पे?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
So I'm all set to go now. Hello.
आपने यहाँ पर लाइटली होल्ड करना है.
Okay.
लाइटली ऊपर हाथ नहीं लगाना आपने. राइट होगी 2 हैंड्स पे होगी.
Okay.
आगे जाके दोनों हैंड्स पे आप दोनों हाथ छोड़ दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Okay.
स्टार्ट.
Let's go now. Yes. Wow! Thank you. So it was fun, guys. It's safe and secured. They are well professional. You must try here the zip line. Right now, with the baby Amanda and my wife. अच्छा experience था भैया. कितना सालों से कर रहे हो? 8 साल. 8 साल. So they've been doing this for 8 years. We've reached to another hotel now. It's nearby the Kempty Waterfall. The name of the hotel is called Hotel Pine Rock Restaurant Cafe. And let me just show you the tour of the hotel room here. And this is the hotel room here. And Mama is busy to look at the outside view.
Mussoorie!
Mama is so happy. This is a view from a hotel room, guys. Look at this. Wow. Lovely. Let me see how is the... We just carried one backpack. You know, it's good to travel light. This is the bathroom. They have the... You know, this is a must in Mussoorie. You need to have the geyser. Some of the hotel doesn't have fan as well, but this hotel has a fan. Not required of AC here, because the weather is so cold. So guys, we have come to a hotel to have a lunch, and from here we'll go to Kempty Waterfall. So we have ordered for aloo matar and palak paneer for Amanda, and this is butter naan as well. And let me show you the view. Look at this, guys. Everywhere the view is so beautiful here in Mussoorie. Wow. We're gonna go towards, you know, this side. There's a waterfall over there. There is the cable car here. Look at this, guys. We have already tried yesterday this cable car, so we didn't take the cable car. Otherwise, from the cable car, from there you can come straight. Per head is 200 towards the, you know, Kempty Waterfall. So guys, right now we're going to the Kempty Waterfall. This is the #1 destination in Mussoorie. Everybody must come. If you don't come to Kempty Waterfall, it seems the visit to Mussoorie is incomplete. So Mama and Amanda is going this way. On the way down the hill, guys, there are so many shops where, you know, you have the gun suit here, and then some souvenir shop. So guys, we're almost there to the famous waterfall of Mussoorie. It's called the Kempty Waterfall. Look at this, guys. Wow, lovely. This is the place, you know, we drove all the way, almost 3 hours to see the place. This waterfall, Kempty Waterfall. Look at this, guys. Wow. So many people out here. So guys, we are here in the famous Kempty Waterfall. Are you enjoying, Amanda? Mama?
Yes!
Look at this, guys, how people are enjoying. And look at the waterfall. Wow. We're gonna go down there as well. We have put all our stuff in the locker, and now we are gonna go and hit the pool, natural pool. And we got this one for Amanda. Are you excited, baby Amanda?
Yes!
Let's go.
A natural swimming pool.
Ready to go? Look at this, guys. Whoa. Amanda, come. Baby, come. Baby, come. Take it, buddy. Amanda is there. Whoa. Enjoy. Since the water is so cold, obviously it will be, because the water is coming straight from the mountain, you know. Look at these guys, but still so many people are enjoying here. Whoa! Very cold.
Yeah, very cold.
Mama, are you enjoying? Alam! Alam! Don't look this view, guys. Just look on the waterfall. We are really having good time here. So guys, right now we're in the top floor of the most famous, Maggie Point here in Kempty Falls. So we have come here to have the Maggie. We'll give it to Aminda as well and have the garam adrak chai. So this is our table here. Aminda still enjoying the view from here. Look at this. Wow! We went inside the cave as well, Aminda and myself. I didn't take the camera inside because it may get wet. Look at this, guys. Wow. Aminda must be feeling warm now. She was shivering in the water. And guys, I'm so happy that I made it to Mussoorie. This is one of the beautiful places here in India. And there is Maggie and adrak chai. So guys, we're having the adrak chai right now. Look at this, guys. Lovely. With the ball, all right. With these 6 balls, okay, they have numbers, and if you match any numbers over there, you'll get a prize. So let's see. Okay, shuru ho gaya, huh? 4. Okay, some more. 4, 4, 16. Oh, 8. 9, 10, 11.
Put in the 6.
You gotta try maybe 6 like start. Yes,
16.
6. Hold it.
21. I won this one. So Amin is gonna become Garwali now. Why are you crying? The local custom, and then they're gonna click picture and give it. Anyways, guys, see the view out here. Oh my goodness, lovely. Aminda, you gonna hold this? Ye pakad ke? Look at Aminda. She's looking so beautiful. Ja, go with uncle. Yeah. Look at Aminda.